Okay, let me sample a trade which I might have taken in USDCHF. Simple trade that you would hold for a lot of pips. I want to cite the month of November this year. Okay, so this is the month of November. This is how the month ended. Looking at this, look at this. This is where price closed, and there's this important zone just above it. So we expect it looks rather bullish. It's rather bullish, but I'm not sure to know exactly what is going on. We have to go to lower time frame. But looking here, I see not bullish, bearish. There's a big possibility that this pair during the next month will fall into this area. Let me draw a line here. That is like a but I need to confirm by using lower time frame. And this is how many pips. No. This is 178 pips. I want to see how we can catch these pips. Okay, so after drawing this monthly line, I would go to the weekly time frame. I want to know whether the market will fall or rise. And then I want to go to the specific week, the last week of the month. This is the last week of the month of October. And you will notice that price, in fact, this is a downtrend because it pushed up heavy and then came back up and pushed down, came back up, pushed down again, and then it just came back up into this resistance or a supply zone. So it's very likely that in the new month we'll see a strong move down. Okay, and then we don't know what else will happen, but at least you know that you'll have a position to hold. Okay, so this is the 26th of the week, the last week of the month. It has given us a clue that we are going to have a bearish month. And not only that, I go to daily time frame. Okay, let's see what the daily time frame will tell us. Yes, this is the daily time frame. Let me go to the last week of October again. The last day of the month of October. This is okay. Now this is very beautiful. This is the last day of the month of October. Now, when you look at this candle, this last day candle, and yeah, this was it was a Friday, by the way. You'll notice that it is closed just below this resistance zone, and you'll also notice that it is a wick at the top. And not only that, you will take note of this supply zone here. Let it be big, no problem. Let me mark it. So, in the new month, we expect that price will push up into this supply zone and then fall. Okay, so that is daily time frame, and we don't stop there. We want to find a sneaker entry. Not only that, when I look at this, let me go to 4 hour. Okay, 4 hour. Now I want what is going on inside this. Okay, here. I want to diagnose what is going on inside this box. See if there's any important zone because these zones are magnetic. So if there's any important zone as the new month begins, we will expect that price will reject off that month. So let me notice this area here. Right here is, I'm going to fit this line exactly between these wicks and draw it all the way up to this area here. Okay, so yeah, we have this zone here. And not only that, we have a So around this zone, around this line, we have this demand zone here. We have this demand zone. I would mark it like this. I would mark it like this. This is a demand zone of interest to me here. Look at this. Okay. If that is not enough, we can go down to 2 hour time frame and see what is happening here. Okay, 2 hour time frame. Okay, it is the same thing. See, this is a, it's a supply zone. I said demand zone. It is a supply zone, and this supply zone is powerful because it has led to clearance of these zones here. So it's a legit supply zone. So okay, so after doing that, if you are satisfied, shouldn't be too stingy with stop loss. Let us see what this trade would give us now. Let me put my tool. The stop loss is going to be 0.9250. Okay, I may put it here. This is stop loss 9222. So this is going to be my stop loss. Remember, I drew this line on the monthly time frame. I'm going to. This is going to be my take profit. Patiently hold that trade because on the next day they came up and pushed inside this supply zone again. And that is natural because this price left this area on Monday, and normally on Monday they would trap. I mean, you notice if you trade on Monday, you either stay out of the market or be prepared to trade trap moves. This the sell here was a trap move. They know because the week is just starting. That's why it is advisable to wait for Monday to pass. But with this setup, we are at this strong supply zone, so we know that even if they come up with hunting stops, they wouldn't go above this. So we sell here, we hold the trade, you don't move stop loss to break even, and then you wait patiently for 6 days. You have your reward. Not 6 days, 3 days. You have your reward of the risk reward ratio is quite massive, it's 1 to 8. So go through your chart and try to do analysis this way. You don't need to use indicators. Your brain and your eyes and your heart is all that you need to succeed in the market. You don't need to use moving averages or anything else. So that's all I wanted to share. I wish you continued success in trading, and I've not posted a video for a long time. I was busy with other projects and activities, but whenever I get a chance, I will put something here for other people to learn. Thank you.